Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Geometry-audio problems can ruin your gaming experience. You might notice that the music is silent or the sound effects are gone. First, check your in-game settings. Open the options menu and look at the sliders. Ensure that both music and SFX volumes are turned up. Sometimes these sliders reset to 0 by mistake. Next, look at your device volume. Make sure your speakers or headphones are not muted. If you are on a PC, open the volume mixer. Check if the game specifically is muted there. You should also check your audio output device. Ensure the correct speakers are selected in your system settings. If the sound is still missing, try restarting the game. Sometimes a simple reboot fixes the glitch. Another common issue involves corrupted game files. If you play on Steam, right-click the game and select Properties. Click on Local Files and then verify integrity of game files. This tool will fix any broken audio data. Mobile players should try clearing the app cache. If nothing works, you may need to reinstall the game entirely. Make sure you save your data to the cloud first. Sometimes third-party software interferes with the audio. Close any other apps that might be using your sound card. Check for driver updates on your computer. Old drivers often cause playback issues. Following these steps should bring the music back to your levels. You can now jump and fly with the beat again. Most audio bugs are easy to solve with these quick tricks. Your game should be loud and clear now. These simple solutions usually work for most people today.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.